The BayTV Liverpool Wedding Showcase, brought to you by Bliss Wedding Shows, home of the Liverpool Wedding Show, the biggest show in the region. SDS Rejuvenate, non-surgical aesthetics.
I'm Dr. Sally Ann Dolan. I work together with my husband, Dr. Ian Jones, and we have SDS Rejuvenate. We've got 3 clinics. We're based on 24 Rodney Street, 158 Banks Road in West Kirby, and the Lido Centre in Jersey and the Channel Islands. We have a number of people who come telling us they're going to get married. It's ideal if they tell us they've got a few months before they're going to get married. And it often starts with the bride, but then that does often turn out then the bridesmaids come, then the mother of the bride, then the groom's mother, and then in fact the groom often comes along. And it's just ideal if people do come with lots of time, so we can say to them, we can help with your skin, we can help with the if you need anti-wrinkle injections, if you want dermal fillers, but it's just nice to be able to plan ahead.
I'm Dr. Ian Jones. I still work as a consultant physician and endocrinologist, although 90% of my time now is taken up with doing aesthetic medicine. We carry out all sorts of aesthetic treatments. At the end of the day, the most common procedure is still anti-wrinkle injections using botulinum toxin A. Everybody knows about the 3 areas of the upper face, and that's the commonest treatment that we do. There are lots of other indications for botulinum toxin. We also use it for treatment of the lower face. We can stop the mouth corners drooping down, we can get rid of the saggy bits around the jaw, but it's also used for other indications that people have no idea about, like underarm sweating. It's extremely successful at switching off underarm sweating completely.
Anti-wrinkle injections is probably one of our most popular treatments. We bring people in, we always offer you a free consultation, no obligation to treatment, and we will talk about what are your main concerns, and then we will suggest what we can do to help. It's a very simple procedure. You don't need any numbing. Very simple and easy to perform. 3 areas is the most common treatment we want, which is actually this area, across the forehead and around the eyes.
We also provide a range of other treatments. We do body contouring treatment using the 3D Lipo Med machine.
People know about cryolipolysis, which is called fat freezing. Very simple procedure where we actually apply a cup to the pocket of fat you've got, often around the tummy. It can be the inner thighs, it can be the love handles, and it actually has a vacuum which sucks up the fat, and then we freeze that area. And in that time it actually destroys between 30 and 40% of the fat in the cup. Now that reduction is permanent. It's not visible straight away, and we do always advise our patients that you won't see any immediate effect, but it's going to take approximately 3-4 months before you see the effect. But when that effect is there, it's permanent. The other aspect of body contouring is a treatment called cavitation, which uses ultrasound. Now that is actually a weekly treatment. That's quite dramatic, because when you come in for your first treatment, we'll measure you, we'll do the 40 minutes of treatment, and then we'll re-measure you. And in fact, our best result is losing 12 centimetres, and I think our worst is losing 5 centimetres. So you will get an immediate result, which really encourages people then to go away, look at their diet, think about their exercise plan. And we do get a lot of ladies who are getting married, planning to try and get into that size dress they want, and again, it's helpful.
SDS Rejuvenate offers advice on all aspects of aesthetic treatment. The advice is all done by trained professionals. We're very proud of the fact that all injectable treatments are carried out by 2 qualified trained doctors. We supervise any other treatments that are carried out by our therapists, and we are always available to deal with any concerns or queries that patients have. Not only are all the injectable treatments carried out by 1 or 2 doctors, you usually get both of us at the same time. We are known as a bit of a double act, a bit of a husband and wife team, and it's actually great fun working together. I think the patients actually like the fact that we work together and they get 2 different points of view at the same time.
If someone does want to come along and make that appointment to come and have a consultation, it will always be with either myself or Ian. So it's always one of the doctors you'll see. And I promise you there's no obligation. No one will be pushed into any treatment they don't want. I don't believe in that. You actually need to go away and think about the treatments that we're suggesting and decide if it's for you.
For more information, visit our website at www.sdsrejuvenate.co.uk. Or contact one of our 3 clinics. For West Kirby, call 0151 625 8080. To contact our Liverpool clinic, 0151 707 3577. For Jersey, 01534 630 208. SDS Rejuvenate, non-surgical aesthetics.